I got my Fricoffee machine about a week ago and successfully completed about 10 cups of espresso and cappuccino, and it worked well, other than the pressure gauge never worked from the beginning. When I went to use it today, it started acting a little weird. So let me show you, we'll try to power it up. And as you can see, with the lights flashing, the red light's on for hot water. So we'll see what happens when we get it up to heat. Well, looks like nothing's happening. So let's see if we can push this. Ah, yes. As we push the hot water button, you can see it's coming through the pressure side to make the espresso. And the other lights are still flashing, so I can push these buttons. Nothing happens. I can't turn it off unless I shut the power completely off. And then I'm just running hot water through the system. So I'm going to turn this over to the Fricoffee people and the people at Amazon where I bought the machine, and see what kind of customer service I get. And for those of you that are looking at buying one, I don't know what to tell you. It makes good coffee when it worked. I can tell you that. Thanks.